chỉ bây lấy về cô lệ với ni sầm ni panga February sang ni sầm ni parok Nilaini anh tu na hian tlai da li về là nia Synod Hospital Banglapui anh ti director quarter sakhan kan omeka hey naktu khi KTP General Conference chân ni ni a naktu zana ten chân don naktu kalkhom ni kan ti khani a chumi conference mang tur chuan Welsh atangin Zolawma te an lokal le a ei zani na hian helai hmuna hian zanria an ki langa director quarter sa hian Banglapui a hian chuan MIzo Durtlang Br YMA Cultural Music Subcommittee te nen hunan mang ho dona helai hianin Hnamlam te YMA lam hian lo entur don ani chuan Zolawma hian zai thiam te poran shoi ti kan hre to a chuan tuna hian kaini hian hei rin zamanian kalan chawa thala tur min ti angin helai mun a hianin hun kan mang don ani mela ei zau thakop mai light ken belangai ngem ti te kan ena light hi hei heta hian anda khi ta khin in chunga hian pakhat om boka chon so lai kilsi ra son pakhat oma hei heta hian pakhat om boka light hi pali alo om sa oma hei nuber pizo dini hianin helai veng hospital veng ina Christmas kum tha roi thele zan puram kan hmana pon hemi lai thi kan ring maya eng tha thokhate ati a chu wang chuanin light ken bel angai kan ring lawa ti chuan helai muna hian zanina hun kan mang dona kan hun man dan te po ron ti lan kan tu manga tin hun om dana zirin Zolawma te po chi bei buk na le lo kom na hun te po kan nei thei tura kan nga ya kan chaw viau chon karinga zanin se ang khan helai muna hian helai hospital a doctor tenen thok tu chen khat tenen anni sabrama tang ron kal te hi zanria an kil dona in chung lama sonin aila in turte an thlenna an mutna turte ti felpol an oma na tlang ti mayang an om boka chon ke ni hian kan thlalak na mun tur hi a mun ma vel kan an en loka chuan kan ho tha to mai do ni kan chu rizam cho ai velo mai ngo cho ai velo mai ngo
Zain kan program tu sap trong hi kan mang don
sap trong ani don an nom don khom mai hey an nom ani hospital mun ma hi hi leitan lam atanga ron tlan chau khania ron tlan chawa hospital Banglapui tuna kan omna peng pheina khania khi achaga building khi pipui in kan ti khania tichuan hela hi parking vel khania hi chalbuk kan ti khwal thate an thlen na mun an thlen ti ra thin chalbuk khania soni pia che so nursing school college lampang hostel le college vel khani zada kan hmlai don ya zandari le chan veni hei Hnamlam an tir turte lawin siam thap to a then lam turin ni vem eng zat nge Hnamlam eng sang en tir don
pakhat pathum
eng nge zero salam kai le sei lam nang ni angin lam don chon hela mi zero niam lam chak tem sap pa te sap nu te mai lam in van nei le mai to nui sang in lam ru o nui pe la pon nui lu sam ta ma sub committee ho tu te roi tu te cái đến chặt tổ khóc mày in đất xem phê lâu mìm chung ngất tiếng nghe lụt phê ngã hay Banglapui director quarter đi khani á tại trên cặp mạ hiến nula pui kan presenter tour kala không cần tiền lúc còn zero thì nó tụt về thế lâu buổi pui mét tụi này sao hay sợ phép làm tour te bữa say một lần thiante cultural music subcommittee chairman ito yung refreshment of multi nami
ati hal barbo te he aban le au dau lampang
an va rau ve hey lam tour te mo mi te lam ve don lo mi dikite
lam don
Zolawma ya.
diki
hi sdo den sala ma
ma po engai ka engai so tira mi
ai
cake mo oil cake phiat phai be ka pui te phak tok hi om ve nia KTP poni se YMA poni se mo kan chet ve tok na hi om ve nia the true presenter maro ti ten lo ai kalma deu niang pui da chunit leng in lom thotlang to chau to ong atang usom pui central KTP central YMA zai pol conductor ruột non ni le cham thum na tur niam i la in bai sai nge tun tum chu ka chol ve to ang i lo ti ri lu to
kan ni don to lo ma ka ti ho ai last minute da kan ni le
i tha tok ti na ni chu mo tha elom om kan lom pui cha ma se hu pur om viau mai thai to du tok pa dang tu na hian YMA lampang hian an chan thei che pa lam chi thum an kan entir don an tia kan u nau te hi chu pa nei ri lawang a Zolawma kom kan la tum thawa puram zo in kom na hun man kan la tum thaw wangin lova nei lok kha ka tum ri lem lo ni ti son ha dam dam in lom ri sela hey light hian du thu samin min chom lo de uleka fia la tok lo mai thai e mar zu tha takin kanin cover thai to chen ngayang tuna hian chero kan dona so kan khul tha te ponen en chak to khop mai an ngak lel to khop mai alam tu lam hi an la in pe lo de uleka tuna chang re lo te hian lam aron entir thai don ani
Thank you very much. That was beautiful.
chero an soba hey refreshment
This
lam
is an
maron chu vela gala
impressive
he ta hian
originating
lo
from
chhap
the
poka
Poi and Marak music
kam zo kinan ei to
southern part of Mizoram. This dance is known as Zolawma by the Poi and Sulakia by
salam kai
the.
lampang agan lu le don ani e
In olden days, when tribes were constantly at war with each other, a ceremony to decide the vanquished beheaded
Muna man ti hle di.
enemy was usually held by the victor. This ceremony is performed to ensure that the vanquished soul remains a slave to the victor even when the latter also dies. Any person who brings out an occasion for such a ceremony is highly regarded and respected by the people, the chief as well as
Synod Hospital
his elders.
Director
Therefore, every adult strives with all his capability to be such a hero. The courage and bravery of such heroes is great consolation for the people when faced with an eternal aggression. It is during the ceremony that the Zolawma dance is performed. As is obvious, it is a warrior dance performed to celebrate a victory at war.
tu na hianin local te in here tin na
Sai na hianin mi khwal zom tak tak kan heya Welsh ramachagin anron kala tin cultural dance ten thiang takin min MIzo Hnamlam te min entur bo ka insu ha kan loma kan mi kwalte hi an ping kan la mga abula kan ka zela din de lo har satakin chuan ama saberatan ega ban par okay please can you raise your hand when I read your name please. So Reverend Owen and Neirin Owen, please. Zolawma. MIzo ming Puloma. Kantia. Soan, Akapa. Owen, Alet Owen. So that's on a seal mason. Soan, Aleta Fanute. Ellen Meyer Owen. Abulsia son. Soan, and now Megan Henry Owen. So the mason. Anya ti chuanin kan music lam thiam le sai thiam kan ron kal pui buka Kainos Hart Jones heta hian sai thiam ania ni hi chuan music lam thiam Elaine Rees Jones ti chuanin well sa chang ron kal ve tho ke hi Rebecca Lelbiak sangi kania kan kapusal hi Miara Raberisua, ya. Tempat perni ni siapa kan Shwaya Hana Ralte Raberisua, ya. Amin. Soan atezok so ta sona chua Seren Ralte Raberisua. Kan lo me.
Làm ông lấy mày. Thì khả năng mà đi làm bằng chú, ở còn cái chú, khả năng một kiếm thế anh đi. Dr. Maro tetahi Central KTP lampanga an mani kai thoi tur khani tro tu I chen te minan hmerche tir velok Samua Jojo Mali le chante koi branch nge kong ITI Tlangdom Entur Bungkon Vengthar Laipui Tlang
Chuta son hema saron
ko beng moi thu bul thu somi nè sao mà sao cái đi lâu mà xoay bao bông chỉ có lâu lắm mày tôi nói hiện sao làm cái tour anh buat xây lên mấy cái làm chỉ ni anh tin là tour mỗi cái hành làm này thế sẽ hey puso lo mà hiện thu sợi don nghe nào thì giải tir don o mai cần là giải don này mẹ lẽ
And it's very well known in Welsh. It's very often it talks. Ar lan y môr means by the sea, and in this song, someone talks about seeing their loved one down by the sea. I can find the English words. By the sea there are red roses. By the sea there are white lilies. By the sea is my love, sleeping at night and rising in the morning. It's a really beautiful song, so I hope you all enjoy.
Ar lan y môr, mae'r rhosys cochion. Ar lan y môr, mae lilies gwanion. Ar lan y môr, mae nghariad unai. Yn cysgu'r nos a chodi'r bore. Ar lan y môr, mae carreg wastad, lle bym yn siarad gair am cariad, o amgylch hon fe difa lili, ac ambell sbrig un o rosmari.
giải tiếng lẽ mày conference giải tour anh dia kha conference kan sakti tu nge mo ti the kalau ngai tua program Zolawma kan kom do na zona kan zo bel
The
manang
unique style of the CHHEIH
Kan leip liang tu ajan mo.
originated after the year 1900
Oh,
AD
CHHEIH
on the
CHHEIH mang
lines
tile
of
do na.
the song known as Bumazai and the dance known as
kan khol
Hnamlam.
lian ta hian
It is
CHHEIH
a
nge yang le
dance that embodies the spirit of joy and exhilaration.
Good evening, Miss Chinas.
Good evening.
Thank you very much for joining us this evening.
Thank you for having me.
First of all, is this your first time coming to Mizoram?
Yes, this is my first time in Mizoram and first time in India.
Oh, we hope you have a memorable stay. And what are your thoughts and impressions on Mizoram and its people?
Oh, it's amazing. The people have been so welcoming. Everyone has been so lovely and just so welcoming, so supportive. We've had an amazing time so far. We've been very busy. Aizawl is an incredible city. It's unlike anything I've ever seen before. The mountains are incredible. It's very beautiful. So thank you for having us.
Thank you so much for your kind words. And prior to your visit, do you have an opportunity to watch any videos online about Mizoram?
I did a little bit of research and saw the beautiful photos of the hills and the mountains, but a lot of it was a surprise to me when I first arrived.
I hope you experience more things.
Thank you.
Are you looking forward to the conference? And how is your preparations going so far?
Good, yes. Really looking forward. Eline and I'll be singing and Eline will be playing the piano, and before coming out here we didn't have a chance to practice, so today we've been busy practicing for our performance and we're really looking forward to share with you all.
Okay. So can you tell us your journey, like how do you start your music?
Music, yeah, sure. So back in Wales, we have something called the Eisteddfod, which is a cultural festival. It celebrates all aspects of Welsh culture. So we have singing competitions, dancing competitions, sort of traditional Welsh folk dancing. There are writing competitions, so poetry, prose, novels, all sorts. And I started off singing through competing at the Eisteddfod and just continued doing so, and have done training now. I've trained at the Royal Academy of Music in London, and now I'm starting my career as an opera singer.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Thank you.
May I ask how many pieces will you be performing for the conference?
At the conference, I'll be performing one song, and then I believe the whole Welsh contingent will be singing a song as well, which I think you might recognise.
We are looking forward for the performance, and we are honored to have you here, and we hope you have a great stay. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Ole tuna hian kubula Reverend Rebecca Lalbiak sangi oma Welsh changin tuna hian ron kala kapi tuna inron kal hi kan lo me ma chuanin Welsh lama inrong bolna lampang te min share theim
tereng mai tuna hianin pastorin kumsang ni le somni pathum October atangkhan ka omvea kumthum na kalme kani chu tuna chuan kan rong bol na chu keima chuanin Pastor Bial and Kolania, Koshan Som, Kimani Pastor Biala and Oma. So a Pastor Bial means to East Montgomery Shire Pastorate and Tia to Mid Wales, Wales from Alaili, Omani Amarotu, Tlangpui, ko shan tere te mun sang sang a ba kilometer somli bial chung vel chung ko shan som kan enkol chu ania sa chuan pastorina tho ang pa ngai ko shan enkol te khang kha kati chu ni atin sikula te kan kala bible thon thu te lem chan ten kan entir china are mapiang kanti ni mai old age home ate kan kala dian he upato tak tak te le dementia ni te khang te kha kan tlo china kaushan en kol le khotlang in zuk in talua pathian mangai na shatir ani deu ber mai kan rombol na chu
aro pin le mai chuan member engzat vel nge ang
member hi claim me ma heng lai mizoram ten chon khaikin si po ni lawa kaushan tereu te kaushan nge ambyak in te po tereu te ani atamber ke ma pastor biala chon kaushan member atamber chu somni le pali velan ni atlember chu member pathum te te pon ta
chuan in rongbol na hi tlam mizoram nen hian in anglo don ti kan sha chu lampang Welsh lampanga rongbol na te kha he mizoram kan lo chunzom ve the time ang kan lo enton ve the ang thil te a omangem
tere me mizoram kan ti tha le tin mizoram chon bishing po kan in dai ma khung lai chong kan in dai lawa ma ro chu christian in ti te hi an tak ma ti mayang an the patopin pathian an rin na ni emo an ma ni hi an keta tar te point an the to kin rong an bol reng ta chu an enton ta ki te ke ma po min challenge fo chin ta tin futlang mamona kovel chang lianina kanton awanga thil in siam that ngai hi an in siam thave zung atuna po Presbyterian Church of Wales chuanin restructuring an tia ke mani in rel kan kalphung khak ti danglam turin tuna hianin kan kalpui me ka chu kovel danglamina min hong ani ta mishing kan lo tem to bek nen chungte chu nia ke mani rongbol na ama kan ti chin dan te kha alo ti danglam ngai chang te oma chungte chu in ena in ti danglam hi alo poi mo hle ni ti kha kan CHHEIH be ke pon
ani le to na iron kal hin forum
tere mai KTP conference mang turin kan ron kala ai ki phi chu ko over to ta kan KTP lai te chuanin musical drama te kan tia bia zai po lang te pon ka tel ve chin ta chu wangin KTP hi chu tun thleng yan kala in te KTP thauta kan fa te KTP kan alian jok phe chu KTP kumrol te lo ni ta atuna chuan aron kal voi khat na tur ania conference akan tel thei tur hi van nei kan in tia kan for tuk ringot mai
chuan to na khoi ang in thlen
ke mani ina ke mission bank kan nia school pi kona sonin ka unaute an la omata chuan kan in hat thoda ri chuan
conference zo program ten name
nei lutuk to lo kan ho de do na kan conference zo ka ra khanin wesa kan ho thlale ngal do na chu program chu tap to vak lo
ni chuan in chung kwa in nuam dewa in man kan be se cheu do sak na kan la cheu
lom lut to ke lom me
tuna hian kabula Zolawma a omeka ani hi Central Christian Thalai Paul leader Masaber Reverend Owen pu ona papa ani a tuna kan hunman na Synod Hospital Bangla in puya piang hi aning heng he a Nauban lain apaten an shwai ho a ti chuan kumsang kha zakwa somkwa pali gospel centenary khan Mizoram local le a chu Mizoram local le na Masaber ani chibaile
hello chibai
thank you very much for joining us this evening, and we truly appreciate the opportunity to speak with you tonight.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
As you join us for the KTP General Conference this week, may I ask how many members or delegates have accompanied you on this visit?
Of my family, my son and two granddaughters, so four of us from the Owen family. So for the first time ever, there'll be 3 generations of Puona's family. Also Kinos, who came from London with her singing skills, the opera singer. I think you've made the interview with her. And then Elaine, who is a pianist and an accompanist and a classical musician herself. So that means 6 of us. And then we are expecting Claywen Stefan, who came last year, who is a renowned folk singer, songwriter. She's the Welsh Johnny Mitchell. So she is a recording artist and a musician from Wales, but now living in Brittany. So she will join us tomorrow. And then obviously Rebecca's family, Miara, and the 2 children as well. So I think in all 11 of us.
Yes. That's really wonderful,
Yes.
and we hope that they all have a good stay here.
I hope so too. The welcome has been fantastic.
Could you kindly share where you are currently staying?
We're staying in Katla, in the Royal Alloy. But tonight is a very special night because I'm staying in the exact place where I was born, in this bungalow, in Banglapui, in Durtlang. When Pipui was here as the medical director then, as the doctor, she delivered me. My mother obviously was here, and my father, and my elder brother as well, Zolawma, he was born here as well. So this is a very special place for us.
That's really nice. And over the years, how many times have you had the opportunity to attend this conference?
I try and come most conferences since 2004 because the Golden Jubilee was 2004, and I'm trying to come every 2 years then. But I haven't managed every 2 years, but I've been very regularly. CHHEIH and CHHEIH and all the MIzo conferences, and now CHHEIH. So this time I've brought earplugs with me. Because every time the volume is going up and up and up.
Yes, that's right.
So the KTP conference is very noisy, So I've got some earplugs with me this time because I enjoy coming so much. It's quite an event every 2 years. I think my father would be so proud. My father passed away so young. He was only 54 years old. So I think that he would have had a very good memory of setting up the KTP. I wish I had spoken to him much more about the original setting up of the KTP. But sadly he left us in 1982.
Lots of memories in Mizoram.
Yes, so much.
And you attending most of the conference shows your commitment.
I hope so. I don't think I expect my family to attend everything, but I will try and make as much as possible. I think my slot for a short speech is on Saturday night, and Linos will sing "O Thou That Tellest Good Tidings to Zion," the one from Handel, Messiah. And I will give a short presentation, and then all of us, I think, will sing "O Patian Namkan."
We are looking forward for that.
Yes, Llewen has, Linos is an opera singer, so she has a very special voice, an opera voice, very classical. Llewen is totally different. She has her own way of singing, almost like Lenkom. She sings with the spirit and the slurring, and so she's different style altogether. So combination will be interesting, I think.
It will be interesting for sure.
Yes.
And this evening's cultural program was specially prepared to welcome you and your delegation.
Yes.
So can you share your thoughts and your impressions on the traditional dances?
Well, yes, I've seen them before, obviously, because I've been here, and I attended CHHEIH a few years ago with another musician from Wales, Sian James, who is a harpist, and she came and we presented a harp to the Chief Minister at that time to demonstrate our desire to increase the cultural links with Mizoram. My thinking has been that we know each other from the spiritual aspect, from the Christian heritage aspect, from the church aspect. But there is more to the Welsh life, and there's more to the MIzo life than even the gospel life. Although the gospel holds everything together, but we don't know much about your cultural life in Wales. You don't probably know much about our cultural life.
That's right.
You know our choirs and our Presbyterian way, but maybe not our culture. So getting to know your dancing, your folk singing, your folk traditional music, instruments, your folk stories, your lullabies for the children, your cloths, your puans, everything about your culture we should know. Your history, where you came from, our history as a Celtic nation, you should know about that as well. So over the next years, I hope that the Welsh people will get close to you and get to know you culturally as well as spiritually.
Thank you for your kind words. Like, I guess we have a lot in common since our first, even for this central KTP, your father was the first
Yes.
first leader.
Yes.
So we are so glad
Yes.
that all of you came here to
Yes.
attend this
Okay.
conference.
And you know, one day, I hope that we can, you know, deepen our spiritual links and our cultural links together.
Thank you so much for your time
Yes.
and presence. Thank you.
Thank you.
We
Kalome.
Kalome,
Kalome.
can you pole?
Mi zong zong an hoto he kan ho ve don che kan mang tha chi a mai thank you kalom tuk zain ani hi chop chil to kin helai program hi don ti po shelo choi khama ra chhoro kan in tia pu zo lo makte ko man ngai don kan tia ei chop chil te ngani ko chawa tha te mi ron ti lo tin chaga kalom hle ani ni ya traffic ani hi tiang program a hen mi zo tong man ngai lo na te lo kherang NICC
anin kom na zong ka sia sakani
NICC way a po khanin Durtlang Conf ni kan thlan trup khan ni hian ne so de min kom sak to nam dang ho khamo lang thei mi dang chen ho vek to he to pera kan ho ni nom hle mai kalom hle mai zain chu siang khanin kan zai thiam aron shroite puzo lo mate ho kha kom sham ka du sian local helai muna khun kan mang ho jong ti ka shet khan ti han nulampui kha mai ka chop chil te win ka zuk nge na miron ti pui sham mai te ka tia
architect thiam takani
ma architect ani ya he dar sari vela ho nga in thlenga helai hi daria ta kan pana chu dakar kha thapo in bo chena nei lo shim honga cho aya in thlaka in ti faya ron tlan chuk le ngal khania kalom tak zetani miran pui hlawa thlitu te pon engemaw fel fai lo deuh lo pon mi lo ngai dam don nei lo thiam don nia tian kan ho thlanga dar som ania sa ron la bye bye na samaya ending kan sem thai lo kang bye bye ani ule